Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To be fair, though, cicadas also have several sharp and pointy parts on their body that could make you think you've been bitten if you happen to handle one, Russell says. If your pet happens to eat a cicada, Best says you shouldn't panic. Cicadas are not poisonous, he says.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Massospora cicadina is a fungal pathogen that infects only 13 and 17-year periodical cicadas, such as this year's Brood X. The disease takes over their bodies, causing many to lose their lower abdomen and genitals. Later in the emergence, we're going to see this fungal disease that cicadas can get.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.